gonna lie, I think we're a bit lost. I'm sure if we just keep wandering around though, it'll be fine. Hello and welcome back to another episode. For today's walking review, I wanted to stay a bit closer to home, so I did some research and I stumbled upon this little gem here. It's called Clowes Wood Nature Reserve. As always, a little bit of information before we start this walk. There is a free car park, big enough for, I would say, 10 cars. I'll link the postcode to that in the description or on screen now. There's no toilets and there isn't a cafe on site, so you need to go to the toilet before you come here and bring some snacks and drinks with you. So far after we've entered the woods, there doesn't seem to be an officially marked trail here. There were two paths that split, so we've decided to take the left path and kind of stick to the edge of the woods and see where that takes us. But it's nice and undercover. It's a hot day today, so the shade is greatly appreciated. I always like to find a little fact out when I'm out on a new walk. Apparently, this woods dates back to Ice Age time.
With the second fact about Clowes Wood.
Clowes Wood. If anyone could clear that up for us, that would be great. Is it Clowes or is it Clowes?
It was the first nature reserve owned by the Warwickshire Wildlife Trust.
Well, look at that. Stick with the video and we'll come at you with fact number 3, 4 and 5. Right, I literally live probably a 5-10 minute drive from this wood. And I go trail running and I like walking, so I'm just thinking to myself, how did I not know that this place was here? That's what's good about making these little walk reviews, because I'm finding all these places that I didn't even know existed. Oh wow, look at this. I feel like I've just entered a circle of trees. What a gorgeous place for a picnic. And if you've got a dog, this would be a great place for a dog walk, especially in this weather, because it's been so hot that the dogs are just not coping with it. So underneath these trees, it'd be so cool for them. What is this? A raft?
It could be a raft.
We're by Wood Lake, not far, so maybe someone's building a raft. Does look like a raft.
This is a perfect location for fact number 3 about Clowes Wood.
Clowes Wood.
It's a haven for wildlife. Around 50 species of breeding birds are right here in these woods, right now.
That's fact number 3.
So here I am with fact number 4 of Clowes Wood, and it's quite interesting that I stand here with all this grass, green land behind me, because the best time to come to the woods apparently is springtime, because all of the woodland flooring is covered with bluebells. So if you like your bluebells, get yourself here at springtime and all this will be lit up in a fantastic blue array of light.
So just going up a slight little incline to what I think is a railway bridge.
It's quite interesting that we stumbled across this railway track in the middle of the walk, because I didn't think fact number 5 was real, but apparently this area offers a mix of habitats. Although best known for its woodland, Clowes Wood, as I think it's called, also contains heathland and wet meadows and is split by the Birmingham to Stratford railway line, creating a surprisingly diverse landscape for wildlife. And here, look at this, is the Birmingham to Stratford railway line.
So the trail's becoming slightly more rugged underfoot now. There's a bit of overgrown nettles and grass and a few brambles, so you just need to be a bit careful where you're putting your feet. It's dry today, but in winter it would be wet and muddy, so boots would be a must. Well, it's definitely something. Hmm. No, it is. It's a path. Yeah. Well, I might have invented a way.
Well, I'm definitely sure this isn't pushchair friendly. It's not even.
Yeah, this part of the walk, I think we've gone slightly off-piste, but it's okay. But definitely don't bring a pushchair down here.
Oh no, I wouldn't.
Oh, this is exciting, isn't it?
This isn't the right way.
Yeah, it is. Look, it's fine. Well, we're going this way. We're off the off-piste life. Nah, this is definitely okay, I think. Nah, not at all, but there's a few holes. Oh. Ooh.
And if you are interested in taking up walks around the local area, then you're probably best just to follow somebody else, because this is Sarah's wonderful navigation skills that have got us basically into the middle of nowhere. I've just walked through a whole load of stingers. I've got shorts on. Sarah's claiming this is the right way, but I'm not so sure. Sarah's going to try and take us back into the woodland. There's just stingers everywhere. Ow! I've been skeet. Sarah's famous word, ER is a path. Right, I've been stung all over my legs. Yeah, there's paths everywhere. And for more type navigation skills, subscribe to the channel for more content.
I've got a lot. I think we're a bit lost. I'm sure if we just keep wandering around though, it'll be fine. It does appear. I think I heard I don't know what that was. It was like a rhinoceros. Anyway, this is definitely a path. No, we're back on track now. This is a path. So if you've watched my Licky Hills trail review from last week, so that trail was beautifully marked out with lots of gorgeous arrows everywhere to not get lost. This one is a little bit of kind of walk around and see where you get to. Fallen tree. So I've managed to identify our location on the OS map. So we're here and we are actually on a path. So that trail there is that one over there. But what we want is to go back towards the railway track. So we're going to follow this trail here.
I think we do.
So after being lost in Clowes Wood for about 20 minutes, going down various different trails that led to various different other trails, we are back at the railway line. So we're just going to cross the bridge back over into the other section of the woods, and then hopefully we'll find the car. Graham's just raised a really interesting point. There's a few trees with, I'll show you, yellow circles painted on them. So those are on every other tree as you go along this part of the trail. And then I thought that maybe it was something to do with the forestry and then like felling or something. But then we came to this little bridge and there's one on there as well.
And if you look down there on that far tree, there's another yellow blob down there. You probably can't see it, but there is one. So maybe you follow the yellow blobs.
Well, I've never heard of the yellow blob trail before, but okay.
The yellow blob. Brown's been doing some research, and apparently there is a yellow trail at Clowes Wood, Earlswood. It's a shorter trail marked by yellow circles, approximately 1.5 miles long. Takes around 40 to 50 minutes. Difficulty easy, and the highlights, well, that's exactly what's in the video. I'm sure Sarah will put this in the description, so if you want to follow the yellow trail, aim for the yellow blobs.
It's an interesting tree. Are those mushrooms? Is that a mushroom? I'm almost back at the car, so I'm going to summarise this walk. Great little car park, enough space for 10 cars, and it's free. It does lock at 7:30 in the summer and 5:30 in the winter. We totally missed the yellow trail as you come in here, but when you come through the gate, if you just go straight on and follow the yellow blobs on the trees, that'll take you around the yellow trail. It is really fun just like walking the paths in there randomly and seeing where you end up. If, like me, you do like a nice off-piste adventure, if you do come to this wood, make sure you bring a map with you so you can see where the trails are. If you have liked this video, please do click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another West Midlands walking review. Drop a comment below if you've been here before. And is it Clowes or is it Clowes? Let me know in the comments.